Video 5 of basic maintenance on the Massey Ferguson tractor. Thank you Sparex for sponsoring this 5 videos. You guys are really great. You do a great job at all the parts. Please go check out their website for more details. They really do have a nice website that can help you. So, when you do your oil change, and it is also important to change out your water that you have in your tractor, because the water is getting old, and antifreeze only have a lifetime, and then you must replace it if you use antifreeze. So if you want to change your water, it is a very simple process. Let me show you how you do that, and then you can do it yourself. Okay, the basic principles of how a radiator works is cold water is coming from the bottom of the radiator, and it goes into your engine, and the whole engine is full of water, and as the engine works, the water heats up and it goes to the top, and there's a little pipe that's have a vent on the top of the radiator, and the fan is cooling your water down again, and then it circulates it again through your whole engine. So if you want to change your water, the only thing you have to do is you have to locate the lowest point that you have for the water, and that is normally the bottom hose of your radiator. You just loosen that little strap there, and you pull out the pipe, and all the water drains out. When the water is drained out, you put it back again, tie it down, and then you go to the top of your radiator. You loosen your radiator cap and you fill it up again to the top with antifreeze. Just make sure when you put in antifreeze, you get a 50-50 ready mix, and you get the concentrated antifreeze. Buy the 50-50 ready mix antifreeze and do not add any water. Put it in, and your engine will be fine. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope we could have shown you 1 or 2 things about maintaining your machines and your tractor. Please watch out for more videos to come in the future. For now, this is all. Have a nice day from FarmSpace. Cheers and goodbye.